Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to improve your debt to income ratio for Upstart approval. So Upstart considers your debt to income ratio, that's your DTI ratio, when evaluating loan applications, and a lower DTI increases your approval chances, and it may lead to better loan terms. So first, what is debt to income ratio? Now, this is the total monthly debt payment divided by the gross monthly income multiplied by 100%. Now, long story short, Upstart generally prefers DTI below 50 for approval. Now, here are the steps to improve your DTI ratio. First, pay down existing debt. Now, you can reduce credit card balances and outstanding loans before applying, and also consider making extra payments towards high interest debts. The second is to increase your volume. Now, a side hustle, a raise at work, or freelance gigs, they can all boost your monthly income, which will then lower your DTI. And also, you can try to consolidate debt. So if you have high interest debts, you can try consolidating them into a lower interest upstart loan, because it may help to improve your DTI over time. And also, avoid taking on new debt before applying. So don't apply for new credit cards or auto loans just before seeking an upstart loan, because this is going to raise your DTI. So yeah, these are the tips I got for you guys today. Hope you liked them. I hope you found them useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.